So my relationship with FB Chain first began many years ago as a forklift truck engineer.
I run a team of amazing people, and our job is to basically provide all the parts that our engineers and customers need. FB Chain enables us to respond incredibly quickly to that need and get that piece of equipment back into service as soon as possible.
My relationship with Dan at FB Chain has made my job a lot easier in some cases because we can't be experts at everything, but it's good to have these relationships with experts in the industry that you can call on, and Dan's always at the end of the phone ready to offer his advice.
The guys aren't chasing me for information as much because they know they can pick the phone up and talk to somebody at FB Chain who has as much experience, if not more, than I do. The reliability and experience, I would say, of FB Chain allows us really to respond to customer needs immediately. If we're out there next day fixing the customer's truck, that's the best it can possibly be.
Our engineer training also covers the inspection of forks. FB Chain recently made us aware of their FB fork gauge, which allows engineers to measure fork fuel wear precisely. FB provided us with a few samples. We're very impressed with how easy they are to use and saw the impact it would have instantly. We've invested in a large number of these gauges and we'll be rolling them out to our engineers along with training on how to use them.
One of my team members said that she placed an order the other day and somebody at the team at FB Chain noticed that it was not far away from their site, so gave us a call and said, look, why don't you just have this as a collection? The engineer can pop in and see us. Money saved, time saved. It's the experience in one word. I know that my team, who aren't as experienced as perhaps I am, they can rely on the advice they're given. They can make sure that they get the part right first time. And mistakes on our part are picked up by the team at FB Chain and put right before the goods are shipped, not after.
As a company, we've enjoyed great support from the FB Chain team, benefiting from their excellent customer service and products. I'd advise any material handling company to choose them as their supplier.
The FB Chain, when it comes to lift chains, is really the only place I'd go, and I would suggest they do the same.